2,000 years ago, a civilization arose that changed the face of the world, not just through conquests or politics, but through engineering, from roads that still exist today, to aqueducts that brought cities to life. This is the story of how the Romans built an empire, one brick, one arch, one vision at a time. Roman engineering marvels, the empire that built the impossible. At the heart of Rome's power were its roads. All roads lead to Rome wasn't just a saying, it was a reality. The Romans built over 400,000 kilometers of roads across their empire, connecting Britain to Egypt, Spain to Mesopotamia. Their roads were layered with gravel, sand, and stone, perfectly aligned for drainage and durability. They didn't just move armies, they moved ideas, trade, and culture. Some Roman roads, like the Appian Way, are still in use after 2,000 years. Imagine supplying water to over 1 million people, without pumps, without electricity. The Romans did it using gravity alone. Their aqueducts stretched for miles, carrying clean water from mountains to cities. The Pont du Gard in France stands as a masterpiece, precise to the millimeter, built without mortar, yet still standing strong. These aqueducts powered baths, fountains, and even indoor plumbing, a luxury lost for centuries after Rome's fall. Rome's greatest secret wasn't a weapon, it was concrete. Unlike modern concrete, Roman concrete used volcanic ash called pozzolana that made it resistant to cracks and even seawater. That's why ancient harbors like Portus Julius still survive under the sea. Modern scientists still study Roman concrete, trying to unlock its secret formula. This invention allowed the Romans to build structures never seen before, massive, heavy, and eternal. The Roman arch changed architecture forever. By distributing weight evenly, it allowed bridges, aqueducts, and buildings to reach heights never before possible. And then came the dome, the crown of Roman innovation. The Pantheon in Rome, built in 126 AD, still holds the record for the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. When sunlight enters through its oculus, it feels like the gods themselves are watching over Rome. Roman bridges were not just crossings, they were monuments. The Alcantara Bridge in Spain still carries traffic after 2 millennia. Romans even tunneled through mountains using fire and vinegar to crack stone, primitive but effective engineering genius. Every road, every arch, every bridge was a statement. Rome conquers not only land, but nature itself. Rome wasn't just powerful, it was comfortable. Their cities were marvels of urban planning, with grids, sewers, and running water. The baths of Caracalla could host 1,600 people at once, complete with libraries, gyms, and gardens. And then there was the Colosseum, an architectural wonder that could seat 50,000 spectators. With elevators, trapdoors, and retractable roofs. Even today, modern stadiums borrow their design. Roman legions were not just fighters, they were builders. They could construct a bridge across a river in days, forts in weeks, and entire camps overnight. Their mobile siege engines, catapults, and battering rams were the advanced technology of their time. Precision machines, powered by discipline. Nearly every modern city owes something to Rome. Our roads, bridges, domes, plumbing, and concrete all carry the DNA of Roman engineering. 2,000 years later, their creations still stand, whispering the same message. Build to last. Think beyond your time. Rome may have fallen, but its engineering never did.